It's raining.
Name stream.
Hey Ricardo,
Yeah,
that's a good book. I read it already. How you like it?
it's pretty interesting. What the heck is that?
Oh, that's my ringtone. Pretty beast, right?
Dude, that's gay.
How's that gay?
It says it's raining men.
Dude, but their voices are so nice. Don't you agree?
Dude, it doesn't matter. Still gay.
Ricardo, I got a new ringtone. Want to hear it?
Yeah, play it.
Alright.
Dude, that's disco. You might as well put YMCA in there.
Oh, then I'm not going to show you my next entry. Alright Ricardo, I think you're going to like the next ringtone a lot. It's from one of the best rappers of all time. Just listen.
I swear to God, if it's Ice Ice Baby, I will freaking punch you in the face.
Well, what makes you all high and mighty, huh? What's your ringtone?
Well, if you must know.
This has been a Name Stream production.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Yay!
오빤 강남스타일